Hi, hello, and welcome to this wonderful platform called Sagar. Friends, today I'm talking about a very important part, which is the LinkedIn. If I refer LinkedIn, I will refer it as a professional platform where you can learn a lot many new things, and it is very much important to understand why this particular platform is very much essential. If I talk about today's generation. Today, if I just go with this particular video, before going into that, I would like to let you know that I have already uploaded various videos related to the placements and resume building and every other important thing that is you need to cater whenever you are going through this particular situation or scenario. So today I'll be continuing with this particular platform, and I'll be talking about why this particular platform is important and how to build this particular platform and how to take the maximum advantage of this particular platform into this scenario. So here in this particular screen, you can see that I have shared my profile of LinkedIn. This is for the reference purpose only, so do not take it in that particular way that I am like prioritizing my skills and everything. It is not like that. It is actually related to your skills. Okay, I will be just showing my portfolio as a reference. Based on that, you have to make your own portfolio, which will be actually recognized by the recruiters over there. Okay. So here in this particular screen, you are seeing something interesting. That is on the left hand side, I am having my profile. So I will be looking into get it without any without any cost. So I will just look into that. And apart from that, I will also look into the other sectors like my network sections, the job section, messaging, notifications, and these particular sections, which is on the top side of this particular portfolio. So yes, this is how actually it works perfectly. So let us just go into that particular profile. Okay, I'll show each and every fragments of my profile and how you should build it accordingly. Okay, and at the end of this particular video, you'll be getting a bonus. What kind of bonus it is? LinkedIn is actually giving us a limited time offer related to the LinkedIn Premium. So you will be getting the LinkedIn Premium of 6 months, which is totally free of cost for the students and professionals, young professionals, to be specific, so that you can get the maximum advantage of the LinkedIn Premium. So you can see that also I am having a premium that means logo in my LinkedIn profile. So I have already activated this particular offer. So link I will be sharing in the description section of this particular video. So stay tuned. So here you see I'm having my name, and after that I am actually prioritizing my skills. I have mentioned what is the that means important thing that is there in me. Okay, so I have written in a line according to my view what I think what is my position and where I am. The people who doesn't know me, actually my name is Sagar and I am actually an incoming associate in PwC. PwC is an MNC, PricewaterhouseCoopers is its full name. Okay, so I am an incoming graduate over there, not graduate, associate over there. Okay, so this is a bit intro about myself. So let us just go into that. So I have actually mentioned my college over here. So you have to mention your college name over here without any cost. In this contact info, you can see there are having lots of connections. So I am having around 500 plus connections. So around 1k plus connections I am having. So if I am saying it's a connection, it doesn't mean that they are my friends. So they are my connections. They are my network. So nowadays, it is important to understand that your network is your net worth. Okay, that means whatever the network people are there in your surrounding, they are actually contributing towards your goal, towards your achievement and everything. So that is why it is important to understand that why this networking is important, and this particular platform plays a very vital role if you are going to this particular scenario of networking. Okay, so this is how actually it works. It is having some resources. So here you can see in the features section, I have featured all the skills and techniques that I am now incorporated with. That means I actually usually update my resume, and building updation of the resume is very much important. And this is actually how it goes. I have presented various presentation in some PSUs. So based on that, in my college also, based on that, I have shared my presentations and this and that things. I have also a portfolio regarding that. Also, I have posted in the LinkedIn. So whatever you are doing towards your professional career or in their professional career, you can actually upload those things, those skills, those notifications, those important update of your professional career in this particular platform, so that once the recruiter is viewing your profile, he or she can get some idea about what is your background in a particular form. Okay, so this is very much important to understand in the current scenario. So this is what I believe. After that, I am having some about section where I have mentioned why it is important, how I am doing it, and this are this and that thing. So you can take the reference of this particular thing if you want to take it. So in next, I am having some experiences. So in the experience section, I have been a part of various kinds of organizations. So I have actually mentioned them in a chronological manner. So you can also do it in your end. So you can also refer your internship, the projects that you have done. I have completed around 20 projects. That means internships and all. So that's I have already mentioned about them in the experience section. After that, I am going with my evaluation section from your type. That means from the SSC, the constant, then 12, and then in the graduation sections, you have to mention each and every educational that means update that you have done. Okay, you have completed. So this is where you have to complete it. And the license and certification section is also playing a very important role here. You have to mention all your certifications, all your licenses that you have actually acquired officially from any partners. Okay, so this you have to write in the proper format. Then after that, in the skills section, you have to mention all your skills. Like I have mentioned some few skills of mechanical engineering and some general skills. So you have to mention all those skills in a proper format, so that if there is someone recruiter who is out there, he can get an idea about your portfolio, about your profile, about your personality, so that he can move ahead with some other offers. Okay. So it's important. Recommendation section is also playing a very important role here. You can get the recommendation from your friends and colleagues, and also the senior managers under whom you are actually working on for any kinds of firm. Then you are having the publication section where you can share your publication, your suppose you have published some paper in some international journals and everything. So you can share this particular link for the reference purpose. After that, the project section. You need to understand that here the project means what are the skills that you have your actually they are actually there in the market. They are actually being utilized. So you have to show your project. You have to put those projects in which you have utilized your all skills that you have acquired throughout your lifetime. So this is where you have to take it to that direction. So honors and rewards section here to of course get some idea about the rewards, the honors or awards, whatever awards you have having or you have received that you can easily mention here, so that one can understand that you are something who is more valuable than others. So this is how actually things work. So after that, you have the language section. You have various languages. If you know various languages, this is a very much plus point for the nowadays MNC multinational companies. They are actually looking to the person who are having a language fluency of various languages. So it's a more plus point for you. So you have you can mention all those details and things. Okay, so this is a part of the profile section. You have to mention. You have to make it in your own way. Okay, this is for the reference purpose. I am again repeating. You don't need to write as I am writing it. This is for the reference. You can do it. So I will suggest, after looking at this particular video, just go head towards LinkedIn and sign up for this particular profile and make it as soon as possible as you see this particular video. So this is where it is. Now coming to the network section, here you will find all your networks, all the people they are connected to you. So you can see my connections are around 1, 2, 6. I mean it's the connections. Connections, that means the people they are actually sharing the common goals, common things. So I have various fields, experts from the various fields. So they are actually sharing various knowledges, various job opportunities, various other internship opportunities, other knowledge-based things also they are sharing. So I am actually getting into all those things so that I can have a fair idea about the market out there. So this is actually important thing to look at. Now in jobs section, you can have the jobs from around the world, 360 degree direction. So all those expanded the skills that you have acquired. Based on that, you will be getting some recommended job. That means you see recommended job search you will be getting, recommended job options you will be getting. So this is the thing that you are getting here in the job section. And in the job section, you can also find some interesting internships. Nowadays, internships are very much important because actually the industries they are looking for the internships. They are looking for the people who have done the internship, not internship. They are looking for the people who have done the internship, who have the experience in the corporate world. So that is why internships are very much important. And LinkedIn is a platform where you can get all those things in a very suitable manner or very good way. Okay, so this is where actually it plays a very important role to understand that why LinkedIn is important nowadays. Now in my section I will not show here. I have actually this particular section you can use for directly interacting with the various industry experts, so that you can share your knowledge, you can share your CV, you can share your expertise, your skills and everything in this particular platform. That means towards to him, so that they can recruit you, they can get some idea about, yes, you are out there who is looking for some opportunities to come. So this is where its messaging section actually works. Notification sections are also important, because in notification sections actually you'll be getting the notification, the person or people or public or group that you are following on the LinkedIn. This is also very much important. So these are the things that are important. So based on that, I am showing something different. Another important thing is called LinkedIn Learning. You see, LinkedIn Learning, I am just showing you. LinkedIn Learning plays a very important and crucial role over there, because you will be getting an industry expert direction of various skills, the various courses, which is see they are now connected. They are now connected with the GitHubs. You can get all those important courses, premium courses, in a very small amount of subscription fees. Now the matter of interest is, and the main important that means if I just talk about the thing is, before making the video, I have got some information that LinkedIn is providing 6-month premium subscription to all the students or all the like the people or all the professionals. They are now starting the journey towards this professionalism. So they are actually providing the 6-month that means the free Prime membership, or 6-month Prime membership to all those professionals who are actually looking for this particular subscription. Because I can really understand that in the scenario when you have actually you are now in college days, so to pay the subscription fees for you will be a very different thing for you. So it may be some different issues with that. So in that particular scenario, if you are getting something free, and if you should actually use those particular skills and resources out there, so that you can search for any courses. Like if I just search for Java, okay, just search it for Java, and you will be finding the course related to Java, level of Java, level. All these things are free. Why I'm getting the learning Java total from scratch. I'm getting anything, whatever you want to learn, you can get it from this particular platform, and getting this particular thing a very that means a great opportunity to grab this particular thing. It's a limited period offer. So I'll be putting the link in the description section from where you can get this particular premium subscription free for 6 months. So this is where I will end up this particular video. I hope you have got some idea about the LinkedIn and how is LinkedIn things are working. And if there is any doubt, you can actually share your doubt in the comment section. I will try my level best to solve those doubts. And until then, take care and bye bye. Thanks for joining this particular session. Thank you and